Coach Shira. Welcome back to our 15-minute bodyweight core workout. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's get into it. Today's core workout is going to have 7 exercises. We will complete 2 rounds of them, 45 seconds on and 15 seconds resting for each of your movements. Let's start on the floor with core bracing. So you are laying on your back, and you are going to just listen to me as you do this. So lay on your back, press your lower back to the floor, place your fingertips right on top of your abdominal muscles. Take a deep breath in, exhale, bring your belly to your spine, and then hold that contraction as you breathe in through your nose. Big exhale, sink your abs in even deeper and hold that contraction even while you breathe in again through your nose. Deep breath in, holding that flexed muscle, feeling your fingers pull your abs closer to your belly button. Breathe out one more time, contract, and release. Good. That's supposed to fire up our core muscles and get things really warm and started. So next up, we're going to your dead bugs. Bring that right arm and right leg into full extension. You're going to breathe in and then exhale, pressing your lower back into the floor, engaging your abs. Again, deep breath in and exhale, up. Nice work, guys. One more on this side. Deep breath in. Exhale, lower back drives to the ground. Good. Bend the right, extend the left. Left arm and leg separate from each other. Lower back pressed. Breathe in. Exhale, and draw together. 2 more at least. Deep breath in. Exhale, up. Nice. One more. Deep breath in. And exhale. Good job. Tuck those knees into your chest. Rock to seated. Next up, we have 15 seconds of bicycle crunches, 15 seconds of Russian twists, and 15 seconds of bicycles back to back. So onto your back first. We go in 3, 2, and bring it across, elbow to knee, crossing the body and working your obliques. In 5 seconds, without hesitation, sit up for Russian twists. In 3, 2, up. You can tap your heels onto the floor and make sure those shoulders are rotating right and left. Nice, I know that's a tough one. In 5 seconds, we're going back onto your back for one more round of bicycle crunches. In 3, 2, and back it up. Bring that rotation across the body. Elbow and knee meet each other. Good job, guys. Keep it going here for 4, 3, 2, and rest. Good. Catch your breath real quick. Watching me closely. Next up, I want your hands to press on your knees just like this. Not on top, not on the sides. Literally smush them against your knees. Right, like, I don't know how else to tell you, but just look at me. So we're gonna breathe in and push your hands and knees together, exerting force in both directions. Calves stay parallel to the floor. You should feel your core turn on right away, lower back pressed into the ground. Now, only holding that left side glued together. Right leg extends out. Keep driving that force in both directions on this left side. For 3, 2, switch sides right away. Squeeze that right side together. Lower back is pressed to the floor. Left leg is going out and in. Drive that force even more for 4, 3, 2, and rest. Good. That is definitely a tough one. Next up, I rock to seated, and my right elbow is going on under my right shoulder. Feel free to have your right knee on the floor for this exercise or stack your feet. We begin our side plank raises in 3, 2, go. Up and down. So I tap the sky and then I tap the floor with my hip. Good. Try not to let those shoulders fall over. Keep your chest nice, strong, and open. Now in 10 seconds, we are going to hold a side plank. Feel free to modify with your bottom knee on the floor in 3, 2, and hold that side plank here. Good. Drive that left hip a little higher, and you're gonna feel your right oblique firing. That's a great sign. Give me 5 seconds strong. Breathe, 3, 2, and rest. Gently bring it to the floor. I know a lot of us are probably gonna go bam right away. That's usually what I do, but I'm trying to lead by example, even when I get tired. So now we have our left elbow under our left shoulder, and remember your left knee can be on the floor for a modification. We go for those side hip raises in 3, 2, bring it up and down. Good. Remember, keep those shoulders open, tap the floor, and tap the sky. Nice. In 15 seconds, you're gonna go for that side plank hold. Same side, nothing changes. You just hold it static. In 3, just kidding, 5 seconds. And now in 3, 2, and feel free to use this knee modification on the floor. Give me that side plank. Drive the right hip up a little higher. Let those left obliques engage. Good, guys, stay strong. 5 seconds, try to get to the end. 3, 2, and gentle drop. Nice. Last exercise on this round, and then we'll hit it one more time. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. We are going for a beast pose, so you can either hover on your toes in your hands or leave yourself on the floor. We begin in 3, 2, give me that hover. Now, draw the right knee, to your left elbow. Hold for 3, 2, reset. Feel free to drop in between if you need a quick breath. Hover again if you can. If not, that's okay. Just make sure you get that left knee across to your right elbow. 3, 2, good. Let's get each side at least one more time. You have 10 seconds. Take it across, 2, 1, replace, across, 2, 1, and gently come down. Good, guys. We're back to the top, so we're going back to core bracing one more time. When your hands are on your abs, your fingertips are just like this to feel when your core is flexing. So bring it down to the ground and lay on your back. Knees are bent, hands and fingertips on your abs. Deep breath in. Exhale. Sink your abs against your spine. Hold that flexion. Deep breath in through the nose. And exhale. Good. Tightening those abs deeper into your spine. Hold, hold, hold. Even as you breathe in, hold that flexion. And exhale. Good. Drawing your abs all the way down into the floor. Nice work, guys. Keep it up for 10 seconds. Deep breath in, holding that tight, tight flexion. Exhale one more time. Draw those abs down, 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 down for 3, 2, and rest. Good. That's my favorite thing that I learned at physical therapy. It really helps develop your core strength. So next up, we're back to dead bugs, and we have right leg extended up into the sky. We're using our lower back to drive into the floor and engaging your core. In 3, 2, breathe in. Exhale. Push those abs deep into the ground and breathe in. Nice. Exhale. Up. One more, please. Let's go. Deep breath. And excellent. Bend the right, extend the left. Good. Breathe in and exhale. Nice, guys. Remember, left arm and left leg separate and draw it together. Let's get one more here. Give me 4, 3, 2, and rest. Knees to chest, rock to seated, just so we can have a moment together. We're going back to the bicycle crunches and Russian twist combo. So we're on our back, you're ready, you've got this. 3, 2, and give me those bicycle crunches across the body, elbow to knee. 15 seconds here. In 10 seconds, without hesitating or pausing, we draw it up to a seated position, Russian twists. 3, 2, scoop it up. You can tap your heels on the floor if you need to, or elevate them to make it more challenging. You're rotating your shoulders right and left. In 5 seconds, you are going right back into those bicycle crunches. I know it's real. We go in 3, 2, and back it up. Let's get it. Almost there. And bring it across the body. Really get that rotation. 5 seconds. You have 3, 2, and rest. Good job, guys. Next up, knees and hands pressing. Remember, not on the sides, not inside, not on top, directly against each other, just like this. There is force in both directions. In 3, 2, and begin. Push the knees and hands into each other, bringing both powerfully against each other as much as possible. And now, both hands hold against that left knee. Squeeze that left side. Extend the right leg out. Draw it back. Keep squeezing that left side. Good job. Extend it out. And draw it back. You're switching sides. 3, 2, squeeze that right side. Extend the left leg out. We are almost there. Keep it up for 10 seconds. Whoo, good. Keep it going for 5 seconds here. Push really hard for 3, 2, and rest. Good. Grab those knees, rock to seated. My favorite way to get up ever. Next up, we're on to your side planks for the last time. Right elbow under the right shoulder. Feel free to have your right knee on the floor, starting with hip raises and dips, ending with the side plank hold. In 3, 2, begin. Up and down. This is your modification that is always available to you with one knee on the floor. If you would like, stack those feet. Nice. Drive that hip up high. And in 10 seconds, we're holding that side plank hold, same side. In 4, 3, 2, and hold. Draw that left hip up. Pretend you're between 2 panes of glass, so your hips can't go back or forward. You're gonna keep them right on top of each other. See if we can elevate that top foot for 4, 3, 2, and gently bring it to the floor. Good work. Switch sides. And we're going for that left elbow under the left shoulder. Left knee is welcome to be on the floor if you need a modification. And we go in 3, 2, side hip raise to hip dip for 30 seconds. And then we'll have that 15-second plank, side plank hold. Draw that hip up to the sky. Tap it gently to the floor, but don't stay on the floor. It is a quick tap, and then you bring it back up. Good work, team. In 10 seconds, you're holding that final side plank. Stay with me. 3, 2, and hold. Good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Remember, you can stack both feet. Drive that right hip up. Your hips are stacked on top of each other. If you can, slightly elevate that right foot. Here we go. 5-second hold. Make sure your hips are not falling. 3, up, 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 2, and gently bring it down. Whew, good job. Last exercise of the day, we're going for that beast pose. Remember, you can either hover or you can keep your knees and hands on the floor. We begin, knees under hips, hands under shoulders. Feel free to be on your toes if you want this to be more challenging. 3, 2, and bring that knee across the body to the opposite elbow. Switch sides after 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Switch. Remember, it's okay to tap down and breathe between reps. And feel free to take out that hover if it's too much today. Nice. We only have 15 seconds left of this exercise. Let's finish it out together. One more on each side. Across. 3, 2, 1. Last one. Across. 3, 2, and drop those knees down. Good work. Give yourself a hug. That was exhausting. You did a great job. I will see you next time. Thanks for working out with me.